How to treat urinary tract infections naturally. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, are fairly common, especially among women. In fact, according to a review published by the Sultan Qaboos University Medical Journal, 5 to 6 out of 10 women develop UTIs at least once in their lives. Medically, UTIs are treated with antibiotics. However, there are things you can do at home to flush out the bacteria in your system. How to treat urinary tract infections naturally involves plenty of water and other therapeutic liquids like orange juice and cranberry juice. UTI Home Remedy. What you'll need: an 8-ounce glass, plenty of drinking water, freshly squeezed orange juice, unsweetened cranberry juice. What to do? For every half hour that you're awake, drink 1 glass of water. Also, drink 1 glass of unsweetened cranberry juice in the morning, around 1 hour after breakfast, and another glass in the evening, an hour after dinner. Lastly, drink 1 glass of freshly squeezed orange juice 1 hour after lunch. Repeat this for 3 days. Why it works. Water and other fluids. Loading up on water and other fluids will help dilute your urine and also make you feel the urge to urinate frequently. Based on a study published by the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, urinating frequently will effectively flush out bacteria from the urinary tract. Cranberry juice. Cranberries have long been known to contain antioxidants and other properties that are especially effective in treating urinary tract infections. A study that proved this was published as early as 1989 at Antimicrobial Agents and Chemotherapy, the Medical Journal of the American Society for Microbiology. In this study, cranberries were proven to keep bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, effectively warding off infection. Similar results were achieved by a study published by the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2009. If you happen to be among those who can't tolerate the taste of unsweetened cranberry juice, you may opt for the capsules instead. Juice is preferred because it allows you to consume additional fluids, but cranberry supplements in capsule form should work just as well. This is supported by a study published by the American Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology in 2015. In that study, researchers observed a reduction of UTI cases among catheterized post-surgical female patients who were given cranberry juice extracts in capsule form. Freshly squeezed orange juice. 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice will give you 124 milligrams of vitamin C. That's more than enough to boost your immune system enough to fight an infection. In a study published by the AOGS Medical Journal in 2010, researchers administered 100 milligrams of vitamin C to pregnant women suffering from UTIs. They found that this dosage, taken daily, was effective in helping address UTIs and reducing the risk of it. If you prefer to take your vitamin C in capsule form rather than as orange juice, feel free to do so. Orange juice is recommended only because it will allow you to absorb more fluids and further encourage urination. However, any vitamin C supplement containing at least 100 milligrams should be just as effective. How to treat urinary tract infections naturally basically requires the consumption of plenty of fluids to flush out bacteria through frequent urination. However, if left untreated, UTIs could lead to more serious conditions like upper tract infections or urosepsis. It's always best to consult your doctor and get your urine analyzed to make sure you get rid of your infection completely. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.